Hello everyone, welcome to Noodle Talk. We talked about two staple foods before, 大米 and 小麦. And in this video, let's talk about a common ingredient, soybeans. The food it makes can be seen in 3 meals a day. There are various processing methods. It is also the main source of protein for vegetarians. 黄豆, 大豆, both means soybeans. Either of these two statements is fine. In ancient times, the character 豆 was shaped like a container for food, and it was also a measure word in early days. But it is not used in this way now. Nowadays, 豆 refers to the fruit of some plants, and it is also the general name of legumes. In addition to 大豆, 黄豆, adding other characters in front of 豆 can represent different beans, such as 荷兰豆 means snow peas. 咖啡豆 means coffee beans. When the soybeans are full of fruit and still green, the people pick them and eat them. These are called 毛豆 and are put in a pot, boiled for a while with some seasonings, and taken out as a side dish. They are usually eaten with beer and kebabs on hot summer nights. When soybeans are fully ripe, with the leaves withered and the pods yellowed, people remove the pods and dry them in the sun for storage. Soybeans can be cooked and eaten directly, or stewed with meat for a more delicious taste. In addition to direct consumption, soybeans can be processed into a variety of foods. Let's start with 豆浆, which means soy milk. It is a breakfast drink that is available in most parts of China. Soybeans are soaked, ground, and filtered, boiled, and then ready to drink. Most soy milk in the north has added sugar and tastes sweet. It is also available in its original flavor. Shanghai and several surrounding areas are dominated by salty taste. The method is to add seaweed, shrimp brine, green onion, soy sauce, vinegar, and other seasonings into the bowl first, and then pour the boiled soy milk into the bowl. Everyone will choose the flavor of soy milk according to their own preference. But in most regions, it goes with fried dough sticks or steamed buns for breakfast. Sweet soy milk can also be drank after ice, and it can be used as a drink at other time of the day. Let's talk about 豆腐. 豆腐 is made by adding a coagulant to soy milk. The character 腐 means rot. It consists of two parts, food and 肉. Fu has the same pronunciation with fu. In ancient times, this character was shaped like a roof on the top and shells on the bottom. Shells represents money in ancient times. So, fu originally meant the place where documents and finances are stored. 政府 is often used in modern times, which means government, or 府上, which generally refers to a noble's house, or a respectful title for other people's house. 肉 means meat. In ancient times, this character was the shape of the texture of animal muscles, and later it became a bit like the character 月, and then evolved into its current shape. Now, 肉 can refer to the muscle and fat of animals, such as 牛肉 means beef, and 猪肉 means pork. Can also refer to the edible part of a vegetable or fruit, such as 果肉 means fruit pulp. 豆腐 will be eaten as a side dish. It can be divided into soft and hard because of the difference in production process. The harder ones can be fried or boiled, and the softer ones can be used as side dishes or soups. After the dough is squeezed, more water is removed and it becomes 豆干. 豆干 can be eaten cold or fried with other ingredients. After 豆腐 is frozen, it becomes 冻豆腐. After the 冻豆腐 is thawed, the water will be lost, and the inside will become a honeycomb shape, which is convenient for absorbing soups. So, it is one of the favorite side dishes when Chinese people eat hot pot. 豆腐 can also be further processed into 臭豆腐. It is a food that has a unique flavor due to the fermentation of plant protein. It smells bad, but after being deep fried in oil, it is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. It is a common street snack when it is poured with sauce or seasonings. Let's talk about 豆花. It is made in the same process as 豆腐, but it is softer and has a higher water content. Like soy milk, it will be used as a breakfast food. In the north, it will be called 豆腐脑 or 老豆腐. And in the south, it will be called 豆腐花 or 豆花. There is also a difference between sweet and salty, but most areas eat salty. It's just that the side dishes are different in different places. In the north, thick soup is added, while in the south, some dry seasonings such as shrimp brine, seaweed are added. 豆花 is not only used as breakfast, but also added to drinks over the years. In most milk tea shops, you can choose to add 豆花 to milk tea, which can increase the smooth and tender taste when drinking. In addition to the above, after the soy milk is boiled, there will be a solidified film on it. This 豆皮 is picked out and dried to become food-003, which is convenient for storage. When eating, soak it well as a side dish. Soybeans can also be squeezed for oil, called 豆油, which is a vegetable oil commonly used in China. In many areas, soybeans are also fermented directly to make bean paste or soy sauce. It is a condiment that is used more on the table of Asians. The Chinese make soybeans into various foods. It can be served as a main course or as a side dish, as a dessert, or as a snack. Everyone can find their own favorite. Today's Chinese characters: 豆 腐 腐 肉. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you. See you next time.